Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to know if someone's on another call on WhatsApp using a few simple steps. If you're trying to call someone and wondering whether they're already speaking to someone else, here's what you need to know. First, open WhatsApp on your phone and go to the chat of the person you want to call. Next, tap the voice call or video call button as you normally would. If the person is already on another WhatsApp call, you may see a message on your screen saying that the contact is on another call. In some cases, your call may continue ringing instead. This can happen because the person may be using call waiting features or switching between calls depending on their device and app settings. If the call keeps ringing but they don't answer, it doesn't automatically mean they're on another call. They may be away from their phone, have notifications turned off, or simply be unavailable at the moment. You should also remember that WhatsApp does not provide a status indicator showing whether someone is currently on a call unless you attempt to hold them or receive the notification. For privacy reasons, there is not a feature that allows users to directly monitor another person's calling activity. And that's it. That's how you can know if someone's on another call on WhatsApp using these simple steps. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.